Hey guys, welcome to my how to use scanner and directional detector tutorial for Dual Universe. Alright, so I happen to be in need of some pure iron. And if you want to look up which ore you need, you can simply hit K, type in the word pure, and go to basic pure material. I need iron, so I need hematite. Now let's say I want to filter hematite only for my scanner. While your scanner is open, you can hit tab and click on this GUI and uncheck everything and highlight only this or whatever you need. Okay, so let's get looking for this ore. I'm sure you're probably wondering, how the heck do you read this thing? It'll make sense once you use it a little bit, but I'm here to explain how it works, so maybe this will help. So currently it's sitting at 300 meters. Basically what you're going to do is, I don't know, head any direction, preferably on a northeast southwest axis. So I'm going to start north. Okay, it looks like I'm heading in the right direction, and we're getting a declining line scale here. So it looks like we're heading in the right direction. Now I've mined a lot of the ores in my home territory here, so I'm guessing this one's probably going to be a little bit deep. Alright, so I'm going to keep hitting north until the line starts to, it's already kind of starting to flatten out here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to back up. I'm just going to back up. You don't need to, but sometimes it helps a little bit. Now I'm going to try east, because we know it's not south. Let's go back. Let's go this way here. All right, now we're heading uphill, but it declined, so I think we're really heading in the right direction. And since north was kind of the right way to go as well, I might just get a little confident here and see if it's northeast. And looks like that was the right decision here. Alright, we're getting closer. Maybe this one's not too deep. And we're getting close, 100 meters. Oh, it's starting to flatline here. Let's see what another one looks like. Let's see if it's this way. No, let's back up. Let's see if it's north. A little more. Okay, it's not. So once it starts to kind of flatline like this, it's right under you. And it's right under 100 meters underneath. So we need to go directly down. But we also want to be able to get back up easily without having to dig a new tunnel. So you're gonna have to get good at this. It comes with time and just doing it. But you're gonna have to think about a nice angle that goes down 100 degrees. So I don't know. I'm gonna run maybe 20 seconds. Let's see how that works out. In any direction, so that we can make a nice tunnel to get back up. Alright, I think I'm going to stop here. I'm going to face back the direction I came. And you hit L for, it turns on the light, but it also turns on this angle, what angle you're traveling at. So I'm going to start this hole here. Make sure and to do this, you hold control and you scroll up or down. Alright, now 45 degree angles are decent to walk up if you mine them super straight like this without moving. If I were to walk and run while mining this, see how the tunnel gets all jaggedy? That'll be difficult to climb back up. So 45 degrees, sit here until it can no longer mine, make that horrid noise. I don't even want to hear it. So, and you can see the ore is, get closer, closer, closer. Now you can upgrade your max depth for your scanner. How far it can detect I shouldn't say depth because it can detect above you if you're underground as well. And you can also upgrade your directional detector as well. By default, the directional detector, this tool here, number 4, goes about 35 meters, and you can upgrade that as well. And I currently have it at 55 with little to no, upgrades at all. Wasn't much. Okay, we're flatlining here. Oh no, that's the reason this the graph flatlined is because I pulled out a different tool, and I opened scanner again, so it'll go down some more. I'm confident. Okay, I would say we're right in the 35 meter range, so I'm going to pull out. Oh, and you can also, let's see here, you can hold Alt and scroll in or out, scroll up or down, sorry, to get this view of, more, increased zoom for that. But, okay, I'm going to pull out my directional detector now, and I'm going to start making a circular shape like this because I'm confident that it's right there. Cool. All right. Now, just because you found the edge of the ore doesn't mean you should dig directly right there, because sometimes you'll go right past and it'll be like 1 meter to the left and you won't even notice it. So I like to... Okay, where to go? Alright, so I like to figure out where the center of this thing is. Alright, so it's up, goes up. I would assume it comes back down like this. Alright, so I'm just going to dig somewhere in the center here. It's best not to move around while you're digging right for these ores as well, because, moving around could offset your, trajectory of mining. God, I love that noise. And we've got us some more. Alright. And here we've got hematite. Now also a cool tool to have is to have a linked container. You can right click on any container to define it as your linked container. You can only have one at a time, so you can't have multiple. Now by default, that linked container can only go up to 250 meters. This would probably be enough, honestly. Well, no, I'm 285 away, but I have it upgraded to 750 meters. So let's say run out of space in your inventory. Just open that up. Right click on this and move slot to linked container. Because I've been noticing a lot of these T1 ores, man, they can take sometimes 2 to 10 inventories to completely clear out the node. This one's not looking that way, but it's good to have a linked container just in case. And you can also auto mine, by the way. Auto mine with your middle mouse button, clicking on the scroll button. This keeps you from having to hold down click, and all you got to do is click when the circle reaches its maximum. But I think that about covers the scanner directional tool tutorial here. So thanks for watching.